The secret to trading success. That's what I'm looking for. It comes like that previous is high. Yeah, I'm not looking for much today, especially after CPI. You see that 980? That was today. Now we worldwide. They got the yachts. See, yeah, I'm gonna be out there soon. Thang, for the more things. Less is more. You don't need to be taking a trade every day. The easiest way to not make money trading is by focusing on. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog, another day in the life of a trader. And right now, we're about to hop on the trades. We're about to hop on the, I said trades. We're about to hop on the charts, see if we see any trades. But I'm not going to be trading the funded account. I'm going to be trading my Hanko Trade account. So that's the account. If you watched yesterday's vlog, that's the account that I just set up. So if we do see any valid trades, we will take it on there. And the one thing about the live account that's different from me trading the prop firms, if I win a trade, I'm withdrawing the same day. I don't care. If I make $300 today, I'm withdrawing. If I make $600, $200, I'm withdrawing. If we win a trade today, I'm withdrawing. But today was CPI, so I'm not really looking to take a trade. That's the only thing. And I won the last 2 days trading, so in reality, I'm cool right now. I'm just gonna come to the charts, give value, see if I see anything, tell them what I see, try to give them any insights, try to help them manage their trades, all of that stuff that they come there for, and we're just gonna have a good day. Don't really know what I have planned today. We're gonna see, it's rainy out, so that's why you see me in this hoodie. I was just walking my dog and I got drenched, I ain't gonna lie. So let's just hop on the charts. We're gonna see, I'm not looking for much today, especially after CPI, like I was telling them. I'm just here. Like I really debated, I was like, if VIP wasn't a thing, I wouldn't be here right now. No cap, I would not be on the charts. I be telling y'all, the same shit be happening over and over. Look, this happened yesterday. Tuesday, it ran the low at what time? 8:30. What happened today? We had to move at 8:30. The same shit be happening all the time. It's all this shit, like, repeated as fuck. This is on NAS. NAS, I'm looking for it to come to like that previous is high, give it a little reaction. Maybe it might happen at 10, so I'm cool with waiting. But we're gonna see. Right now, I'm just waiting to see if we can get a nice little trade or not. But I'm not worried to take a trade today, like I said. Today's a learning day. Today's a learning and patience day. Yeah, the idea would have been cool, but it's all good. You miss trades, lose trades, win trades, part of the game. Now we worldwide, they got the yachts. Ooh. See, yeah, I'm gonna be out there soon. June. Now they got the little boats out there. Not little boat, big boats. Now this was a great trade idea. Even though I missed it by 8 points, it was a good idea. I'm not really mad that I missed the trade, but it was a cool little session. I didn't really show up to take trades. I really showed up just to talk, give value, talk about CPI and all that other stuff. Some people caught trades. I know, where is it? Anna, she caught a long on NAS 100. So some people caught trades today. Just because I didn't trade doesn't mean everyone else didn't trade. We about to just get this day going. And for everyone that didn't see the low cut, look at the low cut. I gotta brush my hair and everything, but we gonna get the waves. Right now it's looking a little crazy just because I went straight from curls to this, but we gonna get back, I didn't take no trades on the new broker with Hanko Trade either. It is what it is. I just didn't see the opportunities. I'm gonna put my money behind setups that make sense. It was the same thing I was telling them in VIP. The whole point of trading is to put your money in high probability situations. Put your money in environments where the chance of it making money is way more likely than losing money. And right now, these trades, trading at CPI, anything before CPI, the chance of me losing money was more likely than unlikely. So yeah, no trades. We on with our day, staying busy. We gotta hit the gym. I gotta go do something with my car. Gotta get some renewed. And then after that, I'm not sure. We're just gonna go with the flow, see what happens. It's still early. It is only 10:30. Main reason that I'm even like cool with not taking a trade today is because I'll show you guys. I was just editing everything else so you don't see. Right here, see that 980? That was today, 5:15. 5:15. We're already up 980 for the day. Not even like all trading to the side. This is just money from a whole different income. This is what you guys gotta understand. You will make money trading when you're not focused on making money trading. When you have money coming in from other spots, other places, other incomes, other different places that aren't trading, you're not gonna force a trade. You're not gonna get as much FOMO. You're gonna get FOMO still, but not as much. You're not gonna be as greedy. You're gonna let the markets come to you. Why? Because you don't need that money right now. When you're trading to pay bills, trading to make money for the day, trading to eat for the day, you're in survival mode. And instead of following the process that's gonna allow you to win trades long term, you're gonna be trying to do what's gonna win trades and make money every day. You can't focus on that. The fact that I was able to sit on the charts for an hour and not take trades, that's discipline. I couldn't do that before. And this is part of the reason why. It was kind of something I was kind of aware of. That's why I wanted to bring it up to you. Focus on other incomes. Stay busy. and turn yourself into a money machine. Monetize yourself, monetize your life. Trading is a skill set that you learned. You can monetize it. All right, right now, guess what we about to get? Take a wild guess. Of course now, more tacos. Come on, you already know who the fuck I am. Come on, but my girl's inside getting it real quick. We got that thang for the more things. But I just wanted to tell you guys right now, the main thing that we're doing, we just went to the mall, International Tampa. We were looking for all black shirts. My main thing is, I told y'all, Baldy Dre is a different demon. I'm not gonna be wearing no more shirts, especially for when I get these FBA hoodies that come in. Jordan, we working. We gonna get those hoodies soon. But I don't want to be wearing anybody else's brand. The only brand clothes I'm gonna wear is probably shorts and pants and maybe hoodies, but I just want to have all black shirts, all black tees, just to make it easy when I go to pick what I want to wear in the morning. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I just like the way black tees make me look. I just like the way they feel. It's easy, I can wear with anything, and it just works. It just makes my life easier. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we gonna get these tacos, but hopefully this person can know how to park right here. They kind of cooked up. Yeah, even though I didn't take trades today, it looks like everybody else did get a little bit trading in. I don't like trading CPI. I told them don't really trade too much, but you know how it's gonna be. And like, this is where we gonna be. This is where we gonna be in a month. Soon, I'm gonna definitely have the vlog going crazy when we on vacation. We're gonna be going crazy on the vlog. And look, this is what happens when you trade CPI. It's not worth. But yeah, team staying active. About to wait for these tacos. All right, we got the black shirts and some Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Whatever it is, clay, Play-Doh, it looks like Play-Doh. But I got like 4 black shirts, and now I can get rid of all the shirts that I got. I already had black shirts, but I wanted new ones. We got pillows too. You could just show them back there. We got 2 pillows for the couch. Hopefully they match. I think they match. I don't think they'll be too far off. But now we're about to go to Best Buy. Then we're going home, dropping it all off. Once drop it all off, I still gotta go to the gym. But I probably will go to the gym after we go to the movies, because we're going to the movies at 4:30. Then gym probably after that or tonight. Are we back at the crib? And this is something I just got at Best Buy. As you guys know, I had this. This is my old one. This is my old busted up one. This is kind of husky. This is what I use on the camera as like a tripod. I use this in the gym to kind of get good angles, but it's a little bit broken, as you can see. But I got an even smaller one and lightweight, and I ain't gonna lie, this is kind of perfect. I can screw it. It's not too heavy. It's amazing. It's amazing. Invest in the quality. Invest in your businesses. Invest in yourself. Don't stop investing. Just because I make a little bit of money doesn't mean I'm gonna stop investing in it. Look, now I got 2 of them. 2's better than 1. 2's better than 1. I have multiple different angles for different cameras. I have multiple different things for different things. At the end of the day, I'd rather have more than have less when it comes to my business and all those different things. Also, as you guys saw, we got these new shirts. We about to put them on, and actually, we're about to get rid of. I don't know right now, like my light, I gotta change the bulb. It does, like as you go, that just don't work. But all these shirts in here, these are about to get taken away, so hold on. All of them, they out here. What?
Those shirts are the shirts that from Puerto Rico. Those shirts shrink.
I don't care. These are all yours. Okay. So now that all the shirts are gone and I'm officially 100% only wearing tank tops and black shirts and hoodies. I wear my hoodies until I get the FBA hoodies. That's all I'm wearing. But I want to talk to you guys about why less is more, because as I was going throughout my day, as I was just inside the VIP trading network, inside the private inner circle, just kind of being aware of what everybody was doing. I wasn't really typing or nothing. I wasn't really talking. I was just kind of spectating, seeing what's going on, just kind of managing and monitoring it. A lot of people are still trading, even knowing it's CPI, even knowing they shouldn't be trading. They're still trading. Some are getting good results, some are getting bad. But at the end of the day, days like this, you shouldn't be trading, just because the probability of winning a trade is way less likely. We want to put our money in high probability environments. Less is more. You don't need to be taking a trade every day. You don't need to take a 50 trades a day. You don't need to over risk every trade. Less is more. Less risk, less trades, less pairs, all of that. You don't need to be going full force. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. You're not going to get rich in one trading setup. Take your time. Less is more. Don't trade every day. I came to the charts. I didn't trade. I used it as a learning opportunity. I used it to get better. I used it to just get a better understanding of the market, get more experience. That's the only reason I showed up. I showed up to get value and to get experience, not to trade, not to chase money. When you're chasing money, you're going to do dumb shit. When you're chasing money, you're not going to follow the process that's going to bring you money. We're going to get ready because the movie is in about an hour, and we're probably going to get some food, get some snacks and stuff. The movie is Planet War of the Apes, Globe Apes, something with the apes. But we're going to be watching that. So, yeah, that's my day so far. Nothing crazy. Just, we living. Already got the food, though. That was the other one. That's at 5:30. Might go watch it if you really wanted to. Which one's which? This one and that one? This one?
It was in her eyes.
Whoa. All right, we're back. That was a good movie. I ain't gonna lie. What was it called? Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Not a bad movie. If you want to go watch it, it was about 2.5 hours. So if you're looking to waste a little bit of time, I recommend watching that movie. We went to a dine-in theater, as you guys saw a little bit of clips. Had fried Oreos, we had a drink, had a milkshake, had popcorn, had candy. Wasn't bad. Spent like 2.5 hours there. But I wanted to end this video talking about the secret to trading success. Because a lot of people, when they get into trading, they immediately want to replace their job. They immediately want to start making money trading. They immediately want to make money. And we all already know the easiest way to not make money trading is by focusing on trying to make money. And a lot of the people that start trading try to quit their job, try to replace their job immediately, when in reality, the secret to trading, the secret to not having emotions in trading is having multiple incomes. It doesn't have to be another business. It could be something as simple as your job, your 9 to 5, something that's gonna give you stability, something that's gonna allow you to have money coming in from other ways. Because me personally, like I showed you guys this morning, I made $900 today without trading. The only way I would be okay with not taking a trade is the fact that I could still afford bills, the fact that I could still afford to go to the movies today, the fact that I could still have money coming in. Most people, if they don't trade, they're not gonna make money. Most people, if they don't go to work, they're not gonna make money. You gotta build a foundation around yourself, because at the end of the day, trading is a game where you need some money to trade. If you don't have $100 to trade, you can't make money. If you don't have $50 to trade, you can't make money. It's not like YouTube where you can have $0 to your name and I could be recording this video that's gonna produce me money. I'm paying for it with my time. Trading, you're paying, the results you're getting in trading is you're paying for it with your money. You gotta risk money to make money. So if you got no money, you can't make money. Simple as that. Most people, they think it's a game where you just come in, you flip money, you turn $0 into $100, you turn $1 into 1,000. No, I wish it was that easy. If it was that easy, I would be rich. I promise you that. I would have been rich by now. I would have been rich. The main thing, the secret that you guys gotta understand is the people that make the most money trading have money coming in from other areas, because that will allow them to not have stress. That's gonna allow them to not be attached to the money. They're not gonna be forcing trades. They're not gonna be chasing money. They're gonna follow the process. That's the third one. They're gonna follow the process. Following the process isn't gonna always bring you money. You can follow the process and still lose a trade. You can follow the process and still lose all week, all month. But the process is gonna give you money long term. May not happen today, may not happen in a week, may not happen this month, but the process is gonna give you the results you're looking for long term. Most people, they don't stick to the process, man. And it's unfortunate, but it's because you're chasing money. Stop chasing the money. Focus on the process, stay down, and improve every single day. And with that being said, if you guys are ready to actually start trading, make sure you get the Hanko Trade demo so you can actually start implementing everything you use in the free course. And what is the free course? The free course is gonna teach you everything. Absolutely everything that I know, everything you need to know about the market, how you can get started trading, and my personal strategy, my personal system, completely free. So make sure you click the link in the description, grab that free trading course if you're ready to actually start learning a new system, actually getting involved in the financial markets. And once you're actually ready to get experience, join the team. I showed you what we did earlier. I didn't take any trades today, but that doesn't mean they weren't given value. That doesn't mean they actually didn't come to this session and leave better than they came in. That's all that matters. So that being said, stay safe, stay productive. I'm gonna see you guys for tomorrow's video. We're gonna make some money. I can guarantee you that. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.